Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing. I didn't get sent many things, but this brand have been sending me bits and pieces since, well, the time I started on Instagram. So I thought this package I'm going to open on camera and show you my reaction to the things that they sent. So the brand is Periea, and they do bits and pieces of storage items. They've sent me some of their new products. Should we start? Let's move the box first. Let's start. I like the look of this one. It looks collapsible, which is one of my top musts when it comes to storage. The reason I like storage to be collapsible is because, you know, things change in the home and you do resets all the time, like you see me do on Instagram, like you do in your homes. And sometimes the storage isn't needed at that present moment, but it might be needed in the future. So it's always handy to be able to collapse it down and then use it again when you do another reset. So this is lovely. I love the colour. It's nice and sturdy. They'd be great for some toys, some toy cars, maybe some smaller towels. So yeah, we like that one. Okay, this looks, got a handle. Does it have a base? Oh, here we go. Very clever. Okay, so that one's really nice. I like that it's black inside. It's got the handles. It's got a lid. And also, if you look inside, it's actually got like little pockets on the side. Oh, oh my gosh, did you see that? Wow. I thought they were pockets. Now that is genius. Oh, you don't need that one there. Because you can choose, because you know sometimes I put dividers in my dividers. Well, you can choose. That's brilliant. I'm going to get some t-shirts. You can put like t-shirts there. You know what this would be good for? Maybe you've got some baby clothes that are too big and you just need to put them away under the bed. Because I always recommend under the bed having storage with a lid, because it does get really dusty under there, but it's such a great storage space. So this would be great. You could have it so it's hung out and then you can pull it from under the bed and then you've got your clothes. Love that one. These are the last few bits that we've got. And then I just can't see my face. But it's fine. Now, what's this? I think this is bag storage, handbag storage. I love this colour, it's like folding lady green. There's actually two poppers. So I guess in your tote bag this would sit in really nicely, and then you could organise all your bits and pieces. We've got a zip pocket there and a zip pocket here. This would be great for travel. It's got two little handles and it's got lots of compartments on the front, maybe for passports, documents, you know, and also just out and about. You could get a nappy in there. This would be a great little nappy bag for your handbag when your child gets a little bit older and you just need to take out one or two things. I love that colour as well. Pull that in. Pull that in. I'm not sure I'm doing that one right. I might look into that a little bit more. It's not secure. Maybe I didn't pull it enough. There we go. Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. So So this one has loads of compartments, and I'm not really sure what they are for, but maybe for jewellery. You could clip your necklaces on there. We've got some plastic pouches here. And I would say this bit here is definitely for earrings because it's got the holes in it. Great idea. And then that is on a popper, so you can put the earrings on and then settle it down. Definitely looking this one up because this is like compartment heaven, seriously. Little pocket here. And then closes just like that into thirds. We love anything that folds into thirds. I would say this is a super handy piece of kit. Definitely a handy piece of travel kit. Well, that's it. Everything's been unboxed and we've had a look through everything now just to start using it all in real life. If there's anything that you can think of as useful that I didn't understand what it was, like this, then pop it in the comments and let me know. I'll see you next time.